It's your girl Shania back with another YouTube video, and today we're going to be making slime. We're going to be making slime with dish soap, and we're just going to be putting normal things in it. So the ingredients we need are soap and salt. Let's begin. Okay, so we have the dish soap in here, but we don't have the salt. So we're just going to mix the dish soap in this container. It spilled on me. Oh! Alright, now let's put the salt in it. Okay, so we have the salt in my hand, and we're just gonna... Okay. Don't ask why I did it like that, but I put it in there. And it is not coming together. We need more salt, people. So I just got the whole container, and I'm pouring a little bit in it, because if you pour a lot, it will make the soap melt. Okay, so now I'm gonna mix it. It's not making anything. Okay, one more time. Okay, so I got it, and we're gonna pour it in again. I added a little bit.
We're jelly.
Okay, so I have my little sister. She's mad because I used her jelly container. But anyway, we're gonna mix it up.
We're jelly.
Shh. Okay. So, it didn't make slime. But you know what did? So in this Build-A-Bear thingy, we have something. We have something in here. Hold on. It's stuck. So we made this with flour and conditioner. Let me tell you, it was messy. Oh, but it gets all sticky when your hands are wet. And I add foam in it for it doesn't have to be so plain. Because we didn't have no food coloring to dye it. So I'm going to dry my hands because they're wet and it's going to get sticky. So basically this is going bad. This is going bad because it's been in that Build-A-Bear thingy. But guys, I just wanted to show you guys. It's pretty sticky because it's melting. So yeah. Oh, it's actually getting so sticky. Okay, so I'll be back and I'll be all cleaned up. So guys, I didn't want to throw it away because I literally took all day to make this. So I'm going to put some olive oil in this.